Hi there. So today I just want to give you a quick demonstration on how you can use the ICBF Stockbull Finder to find your herd's next stock bull. So I suppose the first question is, how do you access the site? One option is Google search ICBF Stockbull Finder. Here. If you're already logged into your ICBF HerdPlus account, you can go to Applications, Stockbull Finder, or at the moment we have the Stockbull Finder tab available on the landing page. When you land onto the page, you'll be asked which index you would like to search the bulls under. Essentially, what this will do is it will display the highest euro value bulls within the index of your choosing at the top of your search. So in this first example, I'm going to look at bulls in terms of the terminal index. As you can see, the highest terminal index bull is now displaying at the top of our search. One thing to note about the Stockbull Finder is that all the bulls available on the platform have at a minimum been weighed by an ICBF approved technician. Some bulls have also been linear scored through WHPR, and these bulls will show a WHPR stamp on the animal search page. There are a number of different ways that we can filter down this search more. So we can filter by breed, of which there is 13 approximately available at a given time. We can search by county. We can search by minimum replacement stars, minimum terminal stars, minimum dairy beef stars, whether the bull is dairy beef welfare scheme eligible or not, and by age. So now I will give a quick demonstration on how to use it. So for example, I'm looking for a new Limousin stock bull. I'm looking to buy my bull in either Cavan or Meath, as an example. I also want my bull to have a minimum of 3 stars on replacement index, and my bull is to be aged between 12 to 24 months of age. So after applying these filters, this is what I'm. As you can see at first glance, the breed, the date of birth, whether the bull is genomically tested or not, the sire, and the birth weight, if made available, are displayed. We are also shown the replacement, terminal, and dairy beef indexes. If I click on the bull's tag number, it'll bring us to the animal search page where I can get more information on the bull. You will also notice that this particular bull has a WHPR stamp, meaning a whole herd performance recording or linear scoring event has taken place. We also have the ability to get the contact details of the breeder, to see any weights that have been added on the bull, and the calving difficulty. We also have the option to go and look at the owner profile, which will show us that this particular breeder has 5 bulls for sale. This is their contact number, and this is their address. So now I will do the same example, but in the context of someone looking for bulls under the dairy beef index. So same as before, we land onto the landing page and we select that we're looking for bulls under the dairy beef index. From here, I can go along and filter by breed, Angus. I want my bull coming from Cavan. Again, I want 5-star dairy beef index bull, and I want the bull to be eligible for the dairy beef welfare scheme. So this essentially will mean that the bull is either a minimum of 3-star within or across the breed on the dairy beef index, and a minimum of 3 stars within or across the breed on the beef sub-index. So, interestingly enough, we look at this bull, it is showing a beef sub-index of 2 stars. But when we click on the bull's tag number and go to dairy beef eligibility, this bull is qualifying for the scheme and is within stars on the beef sub-index. As before, all information is made available on the animal search and on the Stockbull Finder page. If you have any queries relating to the Stockbull Finder, or if you have pedigree bulls that you wish to add to the profile, please contact us on 023 882 0452, or you can send us an email at query@icbf.com. Thank you very much.